Okay, in this video I will show you how we make burnt butter sage ravioli. This is a Sicilian dish. It is eaten a lot there and it is very delicious. So what we do is we put some butter here and on medium heat. At the same time the ravioli is boiling here. We wait until this butter is melted. And then we can add sage. So the key here is to look when the butter is starting to burn, and if it starts to burn, then you need to remove the pan from the heat. That's the most important. Okay, so we can now add the sage leaves. And now we just wait until the butter is burnt. The ravioli is done. What we can do is also add salt and pepper. The butter is still clear here, so not burning yet. Still not burning yet, still clear. Okay, I see a little bit of burning here and a little bit here. Okay, so I think we're almost done here, so we can remove the heat. Okay, we see burning here, so the butter has now burned. That's good. So we can now add the ravioli. Remove it from the heat. Coat it with the butter. You can see here, it's nicely brown here with the burnt butter. Okay, then we can now plate it. Let's plate the ravioli. The sage leaves are very crispy. Then we can add some parmesan to that. And that's the burnt butter sage ravioli.